Hey guys, Wednesday. So I took my camera to my grandma's this week so I can make my video here. And this week's challenge, make it outside. It kind of rained, so it's not very springish. So because of last week, I made my video and it wouldn't upload, so then I tried doing it on my parents' actual PC, and the camera wouldn't even upload from what I recorded, and it was just, it wouldn't work for me, and I was so upset because I didn't know, like, almost no one was going to make their video, so I felt so bad. So I'm making up for last week's challenge, which was dancing. So I already had some stuff prepared, so I'll show you my tap dancing and my pop skills.
Diva is a female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler. Diva is a female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler. Stop the track, let me stay fast. I told you give me a minute and I'll be right back. 50 million around the world and they said that I couldn't get it. I done got so sick and filthy with binges I can't speak.
So on Saturday I had my cousin down and we played Rockband too, like non-stop. So I have some footage of that.
That's what so much I can't decide. You have made it harder just to go on and wide. All the possibilities where I was wrong. That's what you get when you let your heart win. Whoa, that's what you get when you let your heart win. Whoa, I drowned out all my senses with the sound of its beating. I wonder, how am I supposed to feel when you're not here? 'Cause I've burned every bridge I ever built when you were here. That's what you get when you let your heart win. Whoa, that's what you get when you let your heart win. Whoa, I drowned out all my senses with the sound of its beating. And that's what you get when you let your heart win. Whoa.
I got 100% on singing. When I finish reading the Click series, I'm debating whether or not to reread Harry Potter again. This one's one of my favorites. Harry Potter, I'm Harry Potter, Harry Potter. Which reminds me of something pretty funny. So everyone knows the Harry Potter Puppet Pals mysterious ticking noise. So me and my brother are doing all the different voices, and my brother goes to do Dumbledore and calls him Dusseldorf, and then calls him Duffeldorf. I don't know how I can mix the name up, but yeah. So it was pretty sad that he messed up Dumbledore's name. I didn't even think that was possible. Dumbledore's name is not hard. So yeah, that was pretty funny. There's really nothing much I could bring up right now because I'm not home. So Franca, I'll see you tomorrow, and I'm gonna go enjoy being outside.